Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to use access code authentication in DocuSign eSignature. This feature adds an extra layer of security to your documents by requiring recipients to enter a code before they can view or sign them. Let's walk through the process step by step. First, open your web browser and navigate to DocuSign.com. Once you're there, go ahead and log in using your credentials. This will take you to your DocuSign dashboard where you can manage all your documents and agreements. Now that you're logged in, look at the top toolbar and click on Agreement. This section is where you'll handle all your signing workflows and document preparation. From here, you'll be able to create and send new documents for signature. In the upper left panel, you'll see an option that says Start Now. Click on it to begin creating a new document request. This initiates the process of preparing a document that will require signatures from your recipients. Next, click on Upload, then select Desktop. This allows you to choose a file that's saved on your computer. A file browser window will appear where you can navigate through your folders to find the document you need. Select the document you want to upload and click Open. The system will process and upload your file, which may take a moment depending on the file size. Once your document is uploaded, navigate to the right side of the screen. Here you'll find the Customize option. Click on it, and from the menu that appears, select Add Access Code. This is the key step that enables the security feature we're working with today. You'll now see a field where you can type your access code. Enter the code you want to use for this document. This code will be required for the recipient to access the file, so make sure it's something secure but also something you can share with them separately. Right beside the access code field, you'll notice a Copy to Clipboard option. Click on it to save the code you just entered. This makes it easy to send the code to your recipient through a separate communication channel like a phone call or text message. Now it's time to add the recipient details. Type the recipient name in the appropriate field, then enter their email address below that. These details ensure the document reaches the right person and that they're properly identified in the signing process. Next, enter a subject line and message for your email. This helps the recipient understand what they're being asked to sign and provides context for the document request. When you're ready, click Next in the bottom right corner of the screen. This will take you to the document editing interface where you can place signature fields and other required elements. In the left sidebar, you'll see various field options available. Click and drag signature, initials, date signed, and any other fields you need directly onto the document. Position them wherever you want the recipient to provide their input. This step is crucial because it tells the recipient exactly where they need to sign or fill in information. Once you've placed all the necessary fields and you're satisfied with the setup, click Send in the bottom right corner. Your document will be sent to the recipient with the access code protection enabled, ensuring only authorized individuals can view and sign it. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.